Now, with the task given, the first we have to complete these sentences with the words in box. Not very difficult, but you should be proactive. Why? Because you have to look at the gap and try to predict speculate what kind of word can be best fit. Hope we are the use degan so'z bor. Noun, detriment. Noun, discretion noun. Let's use detriment here. An employee who wants to use detriment ziyon ishlatishni xohlaydigan ishchi will simply ignore a piece of spinach on the boss front tooth. Demak, bu yerdagi spinach detriment degan so'zimiz ma'nosi tushmadi. Discretion qo'yib beramiz. Employee who wants to use discretion. To'g'ri, discretion tushar ekan, ya'ni fahm farosatni ishlashni xohlaydigan inson yoki fahm farosatli inson degan ma'noni beryapti. Next one is the weak voice is serious. Stage actress career. Serious detriment. Weak voice. Zaif. Kuchsiz ovoz. Juda jiddiy zaiflik, yomon yoki ziyon bo'lishi mumkin. Stage actress, actresses career, karyerasiga yomon ta'sir qilishi mumkin, ya'ni detriment tushyapti. Playing with blocks and puzzles makes children more with their hands. More, ya'ni blocks and puzzles bilamiz. Puzzle har xil turdagi topishmoqlar, o'yinlar o'ynash bolalarni qo'l malakalarini oshiradi, ya'ni malakali qiladi demoqchi. Dexterous, more dexterous. Qolgan so'zlar birortasi tushmaydi. Mana more scrupulous, vijdonli yoki bo'lmasam to'g'ri fikrlaydigan, oq-qorani tanitadigan qiladi, qo'llari bilan bo'lmaydi. More facetious, kulgili. More sensory ham tushmas ekan. The next one is my roommate used to be, but since he was mugged, he began to avoid people. My roommate used to be. Demak, uni tunab ketishgandan keyin, ya'ni uni narsani o'g'irlab ketganmi, qimmatbaho narsani olib ketgandan keyin he's began to avoid people, odamlardan uzoqlashishni boshladi. Demak, used to be bo'lganida shunday holatda gregarious tushar ekan. Ya'ni do'stim, xonadoshim kirishimli edi, kirishimli bo'lardi o'sha paytlarda demoqchi. Lonnie is so about filling out his tax return that he even reported that $12.50 he was paid for jury duty. So, tax return, soliq bo'yicha dokumentlarni to'ldirayotganda juda ham malakaliman. Dexterous'ni bu yerga qo'ydik, lekin aniq %103 dexterous'ga tushadi. Makes children more dexterous, demak bu tushmaydi. Sententious, optimum. Facetious ham qo'ydik. Gregarious. Yo'q, facetiousni qo'ymadik. Gregarious qo'ydik. Vicarious. Yo'q. Scrupulous. So scrupulous about filling out his tax return. Ya'ni vijdonli. To'ldirayotganda ham juda vijdonli. Jasmine wants to practice her vocabulary skills, so she's not just being when she uses long words. Juda uzun so'zlar ishlatayotganda shunchaki facetiousman. Facetious, dexterous, shunchaki malakali bo'lmayotganida. Bu yerda odatda bilsanglar juda uzun so'zlar ishlatadigan yoki complex structurelar ishlatadigan talabalar xuddiki o'zlarini ko'rsatayotganga o'xshaydi. Actually they are practicing their new vocabulary. Shu o'zlarini ko'rsatmoq ma'nosida ostentatious, ko'z qilmoq, keltiriladi, ko'rsatmoq ma'nosida kelyapti. Do you think a spectator sport gives fans triumphs and defeats or real ones? Triumphs and defeats are real. G'alabani, shunday g'alabani yoki bo'lmasa mag'lubiyatni beradimi demoqchi. Demak, spectator deb. Demak, bu yerda tomoshabinlarga nisbatan aytilyapti. Endi o'zini jamoasi g'alaba qozonadigan bo'lsa, o'zlari ham xuddi shunday g'alabani hissini his qiladimi? Real ones yoki bo'lmasam soxtasi nima yoki bo'lmasam optimum? Hmm. Vicarious dreams and defeats bo'lar ekan. Bilvosita g'alaba yoki mag'lubiyatni his qiladimi yoki bo'lmasa haqiqiysi nima demoqchi ekan. And 8 hozir 6 9 10 bo'lsa 3 ta qolibdi ekan. The order in which to answer the test questions from the easiest to most difficult so that you can write the answers before time runs out. Vaqt tugashidan oldin savollarga javob berishning tartibi eng osondan eng qiyin. Optimum order. Optimumning eng zo'r tartibi demoqchi bu yerda. Osonidan qiyiniga qarab borish demoqchi. Vaqt tugab qolishidan oldin javoblarni yoza olishing kerak. Demoqchi ekan. Wandering through the bee-filled fields of red and yellow flowers was an amazing experience, one that appealed to the eyes, ears, and nose. Amazing with the eyes, ko'z, ears, and nose. Demak, sensory bo'lishi kerak. Sensory deyish kerak qo'yilmadi. Sensory to'ldiramiz. And the 10, the performer Oscar Levant had a tendency to call this disastrous. He once made this Imahangelo deadly weapon. Have a tendency, shunga moyilligi bor degan, tendensiyasi bor. Performer Oscar Levant had tended to cause disastrous. Made a facetious comment. Kulgili gap aytganida. Demak, hammasini ishlatdik, hammasi joyiga tushdi. Mana bu yerga yozib ketasizlar. Agarda o'zingizda imkoniyat bo'ladigan bo'lsa, you can pause this video and just try to work out. Really challenging. Really helps you to understand, to delve into the depths of these meanings of the readings. Next one is 1 and 2. That means we are going to now, it is a bit more challenging than the previous exercise. Why? Because two options here must fit. You have to use in choosing your friend. Do'sting tanlayganda shuni ishlatishing kerak. Nimani? Discretion. Farosatni my father said, if your associates are dishonest, people will think that you yours may not be scrupulous yoki gregarious tushar ekan. Ikkosi ham ma'nosini ushlab turamiz, chunki qaysi birida keyingi mashqlarda scrupulous yoki gregarious tushadigan bo'lsa, almashtirishimiz mumkin, lekin mantiqan ikkosi ham tushadi, chunki associates do'stlaringiz vijdonsiz bo'ladigan bo'lsa, odam o'ylaydi, sen o'zing scrupulous oq-qorani tanimaydigansan, ya'ni yaxshi yomonni ajrata olmaysan yoki juda shunday emassan. Hop. Tira is being when she says she is as a dancer as a ballerina, dancer as a ballerina. Hop, bu yerda as ballerina kabi malakali desa bo'ladi, kulgili. Ballerina kulgili bo'lmaydi. Bu yerdagi dexterous dancer bo'lar ekan. Dexterous dancer esa qaraydi, shu yerda ham murakkab turadi. She is as dexterous sifatni olib keldi. A dancer is a ballerina. Keyin noun olib kelyapti. Shunisiga e'tibor beringlar. Sifat article dancer. Hop, bu yerda Tira is being making fun of her clowns, demak making fun of dan olsak, demak facetious bo'lyapti ekan, facetious. Next one, when you take vitamins, be sure to take only a recommended dose, tavsiya qilingan doza. And it's more than this optimum amount, eng zo'r miqdordan oshig'i can be dangerous, xavfli, detriment to your health. Detriment tushar sog'lasizlar. Birinchi mashqda mana bu gapda ikkita so'z tushganda, esinglarda bo'lsa, biz gregarious bilan scrupulous qo'ygan edik. Hop, 7 and 8. My neighbors give a lot of parties, but not because they are. Ana endi mana shu yerga, mana shu joyga bizga qaysi biri tushar ekan? Give a lot of parties. Not because you're gregarious.